What? Milk production. Actually, milk production is treated as an industry. Milk production is treated as an industry in India. In India, like agriculture, like milk production is treated as an industry in India like agriculture because milk is very good food material, very good nutrient food material. Next, it is very important food material and it contains different types of nutrients, valuable nutrients. That is why India treats the milk production as an industry. Okay, like agriculture. Okay. What is the main source? Or what are the sources? Because milk is very good nutrient food material. Okay, what are the sources of milk? Actually, cows, buffaloes, these two are very important ones. Camel, donkey, camel, donkey, sheep. These are the sheep or goats. These are the main important sources of milk. Sources of milk. Okay. Next observe. Actually, in India, most of the milk production is from cow. Approximately 60% of milk is collected from cow in India. Okay, observe carefully here. Next, 30% of milk is collected from buffalo. Okay. Next, remaining 10% of milk is collected from remaining days, camel, donkey, sheep or goat. Observe carefully. Most of the milk production is from cow. For example, we can draw the pie chart. Okay, draw the pie chart like this is the 60% cow. This is the 10% camel, donkey, goat or sheep. This is the 30% buffalo. Yeah. Understanding. Observe carefully pie chart that is. Observe. Camel. Actually, camel, they live in desert conditions or in desert. Camels live in desert or dry conditions. like Rajasthan, like Rajasthan in India. Next two countries, Saudi Arabia means total the dry area, and Africa. Okay, most of the part of the Africa like this. Okay, in those areas where dry areas, listen carefully, are dry conditions or deserts are available, people use the milk of camel. Milk of camel. Next, donkey milk. This is medicinal. Actually, from the ancient times, donkey milk has been using for the medicinal purpose. Okay, next, goat milk or sheep milk. These are also very valuable words. Okay, here actually for the milk purpose, cows and buffalo, they are domesticated extensively and more as an industry. As an industry. Understanding? This is a very important one. Remember, you might have observed in your villages. Actually, villages are farmers. Villages are farmers. Rear the 1 to 5 cattle. Okay, what? 1 to 5 cattle per small scale. Per small scale. You might have seen in your surroundings or in your villages 1 to 5 cattle for the small purpose or small scale industry as like that. Okay, actually villages of provide farmers provide fodder to cattle from their fields only. Their fields only. This is very important one. Understanding? Observe carefully. And another important one is actually they use the dung of cattle as natural fertilizer. As natural fertilizer. Okay. Observe carefully. Observe. Observe milk production is treated as an industry. Milk production is treated as an industry in India like agriculture. Like agriculture. Because milk is very good nutrient, what? Nutrient food material. What? Milk is a good nutritious food material. Maximum each and every person wants to take the milk every day. That is why India treats milk production as an industry. Okay, what is the main source of the milk? From which animals milk is collected in India? Actually, cows, buffaloes, camels, donkey, sheep or goats. From these type of animals, milk can be collected. Okay. Most of the milk from the cows. Most of the milk production, approximately 60% of milk is collected from cows in India. This is very important, remember. 30% of milk is collected from buffalo. Remaining 10% of milk is collected from the camel, donkey, goat or sheep. This is very important. Remember. Next, observe this is the pie chart of production of the milk from different animals. Observe here, 60% of milk production from the cow. 60% of milk production is from cow. Next, 30% of milk production is from buffaloes. Remaining 10% is from camels, donkeys, goats or sheep. Yes. Okay. Now, camels live in desert or dry conditions. For example, Rajasthan in India. What? Rajasthan in India. Okay. In these type of dry areas or desert areas, people collect the milk from the camels and use them for different purposes. Okay. Yes. Next, villagers or farmers rear the 1 to 5 cattle for small scale at their houses. Or homes. Actually, farmers provide fodder to cattle from their agriculture fields only. From their agriculture fields only. Next, they use the dung of cattle and waste materials from the cattle as natural fertilizer in their field. In their in their field. This is very important. Remember. Observe once again. Yes. Next, which type of fodder is provided to cattle? Which type of fodder? Actually, fodder is dry grass. Fodder is dry grass. Next, what? Fodder is dry grass, green grass. Next, hay and different cakes, different types of cakes. Okay, etc. Groundnut plant, green gram plant, groundnut plant, green gram, etc. Okay. Next, after harvesting process, this type of groundnut plants, green gram plants are dried grass. Next, hay. This type of fodder is stocked at a open place, okay, or place that is present backside of the houses, or place that is available near the field, or any other places, okay, their own places. This type of fodder is stocked and covered with the different types of protective work. Okay, like this. Why means for the future purposes to provide this type of work or to provide fodder to cattle. Farmers stock this type of fodder at open places or their own places. Okay, our own places. Next, actually, milk production. Milk production is highest milk production is highest in Israel. In Israel. The country Israel. In this country, milk production is maximum. Milk production is actually maximum. Where? In Israel. Next, in India, milk production is very low. In India, milk production is very low. What? Very low when compared to other countries. When compared to other countries. Are understanding? Observe carefully. Other countries. Next, actually traditional variety. What? Traditional varieties of cattle give just 1 to 5 liters of milk per day. What? 1 to 5 liters of milk per day. Are understanding? Observe carefully. But some variety, Murrah. This is a variety growing in or rearing in most of the districts. Most of the districts of Andhra Pradesh. This of AP. Andhra Pradesh. Actually, it gives 8 liters per day. 8 liters per day. Understanding? Next, some foreign variety. Okay, some foreign variety. What? Some foreign variety. Usually, different types of foreign variety. They are usually Jersey from England, Holstein, Denmark, this type of variety, foreign varieties give approximately 25 liters of milk per day. Approximately 25 liters of milk per day. Next, there are some other traditional varieties. Jafrabad, Haryana. Okay, what? Jafrabad, Haryana, Nagpuri, etc. These are also some our local traditional varieties. Here, observe carefully, intermediate one between these traditional and foreign varieties means hybrid. Okay, hybrid. Hybrid variety developed from local variety and foreign variety. They give actually 8 to 20 liters. 8 to 20 liters of milk per day. 20 liters of milk per day. Okay, nowadays hybrid variety are increasing. Okay, yes, observe.